So you've decided to get a new vinyl liner for your swimming pool, and you want to know, should I get this new liner in the spring or should I get it in the fall? This is actually a really common question, and I have a really easy answer for it. I always say have the liner installed in the spring, and my logic is simple. You have the liner installed, it would be optimal for you to then get to use the pool right away such that you can kind of inspect the installation, look for problems, monitor for water loss, all kinds of things. If you have the liner installed in the fall and then you go ahead and close the pool for the year, if there was a problem or something like that, it might go, undetected for a little while or a long while, and maybe you don't notice it first thing in the year, and the next thing you know, a year's up, and you only have a 1 year warranty on that liner installation, and you could have a problem that you didn't notice. And I just really prefer to have the benefit of time of using the pool right after a new liner is installed, such that if there was a problem, I want to get it taken care of right away. I don't want to wait 6 months and then have to call the place up and be like, hey, remember me with my liner? Yeah, well, I just used my pool for the first time. There's big rock under the floor, or something looks wrong about it, and I want to get your guys back out here. It's never a priority when it's 6 months later, and that's the thing I like about doing the liner in the spring. Have the liner installed, I'm using the pool within a week, and if there's a problem, I'm going to notice it right away. I'm going to be able to bring it up and get it attended to right away. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.